weirdest thing ever. Like, look down there. What is that? And there's loads of rainforest noises as well, so I feel like I'm going to a rainforest, even though I'm not. Sorry guys, it's raining, and I'm about an hour away from the water, so hopefully I will be there. I'm right in front of the sea now. I just want to go to bed. Anyway, see you on the other side. Say hello. Oh gosh. I'm gonna have a baby with me. Say hello. He's a bit shy. So we are outside, aren't we? Let me check. Can I change it? No. Hold on. Yeah? Sorry guys, I'm in Malta at the moment and it's about 25 degrees and I'm with this one here. Say hello. I have to pretend that he's listening to something, otherwise he won't be quiet. Oh, this one. So today we're going to go to the beach.